This is William and some bird that is on steps, and we found it, and it's nice, and
William, we can't see because
it's awesome. I mean, look at that. Right next to a bird, and the bird's not even caring. It's amazing.
Gee.
Put my hand out.
Wow. I know.
Pet it. Pet the bird.
That's a pretty tame wild
It's awesome.
Can it fly?
I
We
believe
were
it-
just wondering if it can.
I believe it can. There's William picking it up. Look, you guys can't have a bird.
Take the bird off the steps.
Take the bird.
Yeah, put him over here in the bushes.
Yeah.
Over in the shady bushes.
Go on. Come on.
I have the best way to pick it up.
Go on.
You pick it up
Go on.
like this.
Go on.
You gotta be very careful.
Go on.
No, stop it!
Oh yeah. And then put him over.
Alright, now we're taking him, put him over there.
Hey, what the heck?
Alright, now no more strap on him. There we go.
He's in the sun.
Alright. Peace out, bird.
Into